Yeah. Listen to this and tell me what it sounds like. Stimulating sound bites while I seize firmly those hips, moving closer and closer to those lips. I hear you shout my name while the blood runs through my veins. This inherited musicality that helps soothe your pains. What a perfect composition that we've arranged. There is no competition when it comes to me and you making love. For sending me this angel with someone I gotta thank above. For this uniquely distinct creative love, unselfish, benevolent, patient love. How you arouse my senses is flawless. You finish my sentences with a finger to my lips. I can't explain how much I love this.
Music making love in an harmony. My melody and your energy sounds like sweet and soul sounds like through the night, whisper it in my ear. We'll sing those songs that we wanna hear. Sounds like sweet and soul sounds like
check it. My favorite sound is the sound of strong affection and warm attachment. Bodies contacted. I know you feel the excitement of these compassionate actions as lovebirds get involved in. And if we have a problem, we speak face to face and start solving. In this relationship, I put my all into you, extending intensely inside. You just fill me with pride. It's so hard for me to hide the sensibilities that you hear in these melodies. That's a gift that help us to make that emotional shift into another galaxy.